Here's a 2004 Jeep Rubicon with an automatic. It's got 147,000 miles on it. It's a nice Jeep. Here's a 2004 Rubicon that's been maxed out with all the extra cross steering and all that neat stuff, and trusses on the axles. It's got 159,000 miles. No, it only has 59,000 miles. It's a 5-speed. It was rolled. We put a windshield and a roll cage on it. This one here is a 2006 Rubicon Unlimited that only has 38,000 miles on it. It was rolled. We put a windshield on it. It's a nice Jeep. Something to go four-wheeling with. 12,000 pound winch on this one, and 9,500 pound winch on that one. Let me show you what else we have in the back. Here's a 2005 Jeep Rubicon Sahara. Standard. It's got 100,000 miles on it. It's number 34. They only made 1,000 of these. See that? 34 out of 1,000. Here's a 2003 Jeep Rubicon. It's got 111,000 miles on it. It's a real nice Jeep. Needs a right door. Leather seats. Even the back seat's leather. Got hit on the right side. Top can probably be repaired. If not, we got tops. Needs a right door and pull the tub. And we got a yellow one we're putting back together. This one only has 74,000 miles on it. It was hit high, so it didn't hit the frame. We're putting fenders and hood off another Rubicon in the back, and that grill. Give us a call if you're interested in any of these Jeeps. We're in Phoenix, Arizona, 602-276-1200.